Doc McStuffins, pet vet. "Hey, Doc, check out the toy Mom just got me," Donnie says. "It's called Fetching Findo." Fetching Findo looks just like a real dog. He acts like a real dog, too. He can even find a bone. Findo sniffs the glowing bone. His nose begins to glow, too. "Findo, fetch!" Donnie yells. He tosses the plastic bone across the backyard. Findo runs after the bone and brings it back to Donnie. "Good boy, Findo," Donnie says. It's Doc's turn to throw the bone. "Findo, fetch!" Doc yells. Findo brings the bone back from the sandbox. Donnie takes another turn playing with Findo. He always finds his bone? Donnie wonders when he sees Findo. Findo doesn't have a bone in his mouth. He fetched. Awesome guy. "Let me try again," Donnie says. This time, Findo comes back with dress-up Daisy. "I think he might need a checkup," Doc suggests. "I think so too," Donnie agrees. "Thanks, Doc." Doc picks up Findo and carries him to her clinic. Her stethoscope glows and the toys come to life. "Bark, bark!" "Is that a dog?" Stuffy wonders. "It's just a toy dog," Lambie assures him. Doc brings Findo into the exam room. Hallie follows, clipboard in hand. "Lose something, Doc?" Hallie asks when she sees Doc looking around. "My doctor's bag," Doc replies. "I must have left it outside. I'll be right back." The toys ask Findo what's wrong, but all he says is, "Bark, bark, bark, bark." What's he saying? Lambie wonders. "I have no idea," Stuffy replies. The toys don't know how to talk to Findo, and they don't know how to stop him from chasing a ball around the clinic. When Doc comes back, the clinic is a mess. "He's feistier than fleas at a feline festival," Hallie complains, and there's no reasoning with him. Doc knows that if Findo can only bark, he can't tell her how he's feeling. She needs to treat him like a pet instead of a patient. The toys help her get the McStuffins veterinary clinic ready. "This vet is all set," Doc says. Lambie and Stuffy volunteer to be veterinary technicians. "Stuffy the vet tech," Stuffy says. "I like the sound of that." They pet Findo and keep him calm while Doc examines him. Findo's eyes look good, but his nose is filled with sand. It got in there when Doc threw the bone into the sandbox. Doc has a doggy diagnosis. Findo has sandy nosetosis. The sand is blocking the electronic sensor in Findo's nose. Doc uses a cotton swab to clean Findo's sensor. Then she takes him outside to check if it's working. "Findo, fetch!" Doc calls when she points to the bone. Findo finds his bone. He's all better. Doc brings Findo back in the house to tell Donnie the good news. Findo is back to his old fetching self. Bark, 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 bark. This is the end of this storybook. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe for more storybooks like this one. Join us in our next adventure. Bye for now.